Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, after a brief episode towards the upside, the Australian dollar is now showing signs of exhaustion as it now looks towards the support coming in now at 60.65. Seen as minor, I expect to see further weakness and looking towards that target of 75.0515. With the technical implications shaping up to a slightly bearish look, still expects to see any advances to fail towards 76.35 and still maintaining its bearish outlook. Well, after yesterday's hawkish speech from the New York Fed President William Dudley, the US dollar has remained relatively bullish, as the index climbs to a high of 97.84 overnight, now looks towards an objective of 98.40. This in turns will see euro fall further, with the immediate target holding towards 110.70. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 109.85 to 109.1015 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find a cap around 111.70 and firmer above at 112.30. Well, dollar yen's wake-up call to a bullish start yesterday morning still expects to see further scope to the upside, with the immediate target holding at 111.90. And as viewed from there, a break above this region, clearing these highs, would see further risks to the upside and look towards a target of 112.50. Any pullback on the day should find support around 110.80 and firmer beneath at 110.35.45. Well, the Great British Pound took a very heavy tumble overnight on the back of the comments from the Bank of England, Mark Carney, who is cautious against a rate hike. He even went on to say that it is not yet the time to begin any adjustment. Therefore, the pound took a very heavy tumble, taking out that target of 126.35 and now exposing further weakness to 125.30.55, with any advances on the day likely to fail towards 126.80.90. Well, the gold story still pretty much, I believe, holding to a potential bullish recovery from the 12.30 to 36 base that I've highlighted here, and look towards the top side, which comes in at 49 and maybe up towards the region of 12.56 and reassess from there. Wrapping up with oil, the market took a heavy tumble overnight and took out the target of 43.40 and now exposes the next target of 41.50.70, with any advances on the day coming in from a cap from this downtrend, as you can see here, at 44.40.60. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.